All right, so what we're given is that it takes 15 minutes for Sally to pick apples from the tree in the backyard, and it takes Lisa the same to do the same job takes 25 minutes. So Sally's rate is given to us as so one job for every 15 minutes, and Lisa's is at the same job for every 25 minutes. And the question is, how long will it take them working together to do that job? So we're going to say let T be the time it takes, together. Okay. All right, so that is T, so that's our time here. We know work is equal to rate times time, so T over 15, and then T over 25 will be the, so if we add those together, so together they're gonna equal 1, so I'm gonna set up an equation here. Right? So if we look at Sally's work, which is going to be T over 15, right? Plus, we're going to have Lisa's work, which is T over 25. That's going to equal to one job, right? So that's one, so the job, we'll say the job, okay? All right, so what do we want to do? Well, we need to find the lowest common denominator. We're going to multiply everything by the lowest common multiple of the denominator. What happened to my, there we go. Change colors here. So the LCD is, what is the LCD? Well, we have a denominator of 15 and 25. There is a common factor of 5, so it's going to be 75, right? So 5 times 3. Okay. So that's 75. So we're going to multiply all these pieces by 75, right? That will get rid of all of our fractions. All right. Okay, so when we do that, that is going to simplify to 5t plus, and this will simplify to 3t equals 75. So 8t equals 75. So t, the amount of time, is equal to 75 over 8. Or let's make that a mixed fraction. So that would be what? 9. And then there's 3 remaining, right? And 3/8. Okay. We can leave it at that. We could take 3/8 and times it by 60. So 3/8 and times it by 60. That's about 22.5 seconds. But I think this is okay to say it as minutes. Is that, just think about if that's reasonable. You know, Sally doing it alone would be 15 minutes, and then Lisa is not quite the same pace, so it's not like it would be half that time, so it's a little more than half. I think it's pretty reasonable. But yeah, you could say it's 9 minutes, 22.5 seconds. That would also be true too. Maybe I'll write that down. Let's see, a different color here. Or 9 minutes, 22.5 seconds. All right.